Hey creators, today I'm going to show you how to schedule the Instagram Reels using the Meta Business Suite so you can plan ahead and stay consistent. And here's how to set it up. First, make sure that your Instagram is a business or creator account and it's connected to your Facebook page. Then here open and click the create reel. And here upload your video clip up to 90 seconds or whatever you want. And after uploading your video clip, write your caption, add hashtags, and choose a thumbnail. Then, after that, click Next. Then select the schedule instead of sharing now. Then choose your desired time and date and click Schedule. And that's it. You've scheduled your reel ahead of time. Super handy for planning and content calendar. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more social media tips. Thanks for watching.